Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today what duty?
I'm English.
English.
Keshav, you did not appear for your history duty yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
I got the message from your mom, but sir was asking for the papers, no? Then only this absence would be considered. Chal, let me admit others. Today comment section is also there. The children, you'll have to do it in a very organized manner. Otherwise, you'll face a lot of problems. Because it's an English paper. So in one period, I'll be sharing creative writing and grammar PDF. In the next meeting, I'll share the English literature PDF. Whatever time I feel is appropriate to be given for a particular question, that will be given. No scrolling up, scrolling down, and wasting time of other students as well. That is what I'm planning to do. I'll just give me 1 second. Let me admit all.
तो फिर मैं ये रखूं कैसे सर?
Yes, 11C and 11th humanities. I think you all know your cameras have to be on. Each one of you should be visible. I'll take a screenshot of your attendance later. Hurry up, switch on your cameras, Adil. Good. So we are starting with the creative writing and grammar part first. You want to do comprehension first, or creative writing first, or grammar first? Tell me quickly, all of you, because I'll not scroll up and down. I plan to take up only one thing. Should I do with grammar first?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think grammar first would be better. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Adil, settle down. Settle down quickly, Adil. Let's start with grammar, children. Come on. Let's do grammar first, okay? Let me show it to you. I hope you know how you're going to do. You have to write the correct option and the correct answer as well. So put on the heading grammar quickly. Start attempting. Write question number 3. First option. Just if you feel B is the correct answer, then write B and also write the answer. Just writing ABCD is not possible. Lavanya, please switch on your camera. Lavanya. I'll remove you from the meeting, beta. What is the point? Arpit, Lavanya and Arpit. Hurry up. Keshav, chalo, come back to the camera. Let me admit the other students. See, if continuity, if I find you, you're not on camera, I'll remove you from the meeting. Anand, settle down. You're not clearly visible. Jasdeep,
Yes, ma'am.
camera on करो बेटा. चलो सही है. Please start with your grammar, children. Do the first question. I'll keep scrolling down.
Ma'am, please scroll. I want to see the second
beta.
one.
Wait a second.
Ma'am, wait.
Let me get all. Let me first give me 1 minute. Let me first get all cameras on. Then only I'll start the test proper. Keshav Anand, Vansh. Vansh, it's okay. Keshav Anand. No, it's absolutely okay. Let's start. I'll keep checking. Everybody is there. Prachi is there. Adil, clear karo beta. Settle down ठीक से.
Then question is not showing on my screen.
Chalo beta, we are starting. Then I'll take your attendance.
Please scroll.
Attempt the first two questions of grammar. Whichever option you think is correct, please write down. Just don't write A, B, C, D, write the answer also.
Ma'am, question is not showing on my screen.
Which question is not showing on your screen?
Ma'am, nothing is coming on my screen.
Nothing is coming on your screen. Who is
Yes.
this child? Vansh.
Vansh. Yes,
What
ma'am.
about other students? Can you see the question paper on the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Vansh, join again. Join again. There is a problem on your side. Leave the meeting, join again. I need to take attendance also.
Ma'am, please scroll. I want to see third one.
Beta, just 1 minute. I'll go accordingly. I feel whatever time is needed. Now I'll be hiding the first question. I'm going back. I'm going forward to the third one now. Second is still on the screen for children who have not done. I'll keep forwarding after a minute or two. Who is Sanjay Arora? Is there any Sanjay Arora in commerce section? Commerce students, is there some Sanjay Arora? I've never heard of this name.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
No.
Rishi's father.
Rishi's father. Then why does he
Rishi
not join by
Arora.
his own name? He should join by his own name.
I don't know.
Finish the fourth one also, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Third, fourth, and question number 2 all are visible on your screens. Question number 2, write the answer as A, whatever is the correct answer. Please do not copy any questions. We don't have that much time. Do not copy any questions. All students of humanities are present. What is the total strength of commerce section, children? Chalo, I'll ask Abhinav. Don't worry. You do your work.
I'm done.
Okay, beta. Hold on. Question number 2 is done? Or should I wait for a minute?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Ma'am, please wait.
Raise your hands. How many of you have finished your grammar portion? Fine, I'm showing you the writing section first question. Then I'll again share the grammar PDF only. So that those children who have not done can do this. You people don't have to wait. I'll be sharing the writing section. You can start with this. You are Varun Vandita, Cultural Secretary of your school, Victoria Public School, Hyderabad. You have been asked to inform the students of classes 6 to 12 about an inter-school dramatics competition. So you have to draft a notice. Or you have a choice in this. You are Abhishek Avanti, Swami Vivekanand School, Activity Coordinator. Discuss the plan, the activities of Christmas Day celebrations. If you want, you people can take a screenshot of the writing section. Just note down the first question details, children. If needed, then I'll go back to grammar for children. Those who want to see.
And grammar has only 2 questions.
Yes, dear. Let me know if any help needed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
My screen is not visible.
Get disconnected. Join again. There is no other option. Others can see the screen. It is not possible that there's a problem at my end. There's a problem at your end. Leave the meeting. Join again. That is the only option we have.
Ma'am, please.
Again, you put that picture. I want you on camera. Jasdeep.
Ma'am, please show the grammar portion.
You mute your audio, children, until you need to speak anything. Mute your audios. Yes, beta. All of you finish your writing section on time. Then the last question will be left, that is comprehension.
Ma'am, please show the comprehension part.
Beta, how many of you have finished your writing section? Raise your hands. Both the letters.
No, ma'am.
Just raise your hands. Don't panic. I'll manage. Those who finish both the letters.
No, ma'am,
Not
I
even.
have not finished. I haven't seen the second question.
No, no. First finish this, because again and again we'll not scroll back here and there. First finish your writing section, children. Whoever finishes both the letters, raise your hands so that I get to know maximum students have done. Children, hurry up, you need to speed up. I hope
Ma'am,
the
while
first,
ma'am, while
yes,
some are doing this, please show the grammar part.
I hope the first question everybody has done. Please start reading
Yes,
those who've
ma'am.
done the writing part also later. Please start reading the comprehension. I've shared on the screen the comprehension also. Both the questions are there on your screen and the comprehension part also. Read the comprehension. I'll show you the questions. You can look for the answers. Read quickly. अरे इनको नहीं बताया था ना पता नहीं किसका फोन आया।
Ma'am, please show the
Read the comprehension, children.
ma'am, please show the question. Ma'am, please show the letter question.
You just see the first question. Name the first tourist to the International Space Station and what difficulties did he face? I'll be scrolling up. You can find the answer. Name the first tourist to the International Space Station and what difficulties did he face? First tourist to the space station.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Found the answer?
No, ma'am, please repeat the question.
First person to go into space and what problem did he face? Right? Very short, very brief answers. Just 1 mark answer it is. So the answer should be very short. Found the answer to the first question, children? Yes, second question. Why is Lance Bass unable to have a ride into space now? Why is he unable to have a ride into space now, and what is likely to happen in a decade? Why is Lance Bass unable to have a ride now, and what is likely to happen in a decade? See the answers. You'll find the answers here only.
Ma'am, can you tell the question again, please? Excuse me, ma'am.
Done, children?
Ma'am, can you tell the second question, please?
Third one. Which two factors are inspiring the designers of a new space vehicle that is a reusable rocket? Which two factors are inspiring the designers for reusable rockets? Just wait, I'll request principal sir if I can post this comprehension PDF on the group only. Or you people can take screenshots, children.
Share it on WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, share it on WhatsApp.
Beta, speak loudly.
Ma'am, share it on WhatsApp.
Yes, beta, what did you say?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Moving on to the fourth one. How do you think suborbital tourism is a poor alternative to space travel? How do you think suborbital tourism is a poor alternative to space travel? If anyone wants me to show any of the paragraphs or any part, please let me know.
Ma'am, please show the comprehension from start.